Everybody just calm down.
Whoa! What's going on, everybody? I'm Mr. Billy. Are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Welcome to Everybody Just Calm Down. Storytime Adventures with Mr. Billy. We want to thank everybody for subscribing and liking the best new kids show. Guess what, y'all? We also selling t-shirts at www.teespring.com/3KingVisions. Purchase your favorite 3 King Vision shirts. Hold up! Bizzy! What's up, dude? How you doing? Everyone say, hello, Bizzy. Guess what our color of the day is? It's the color black. Can we say black? Black. Good job, good job, good job. Our letter of the day is the letter U. Can you say U? U. We're gonna hold our finger in the air. We're gonna make a letter U. We're gonna go, ooh. One more time. Good job, good job, good job. Our first song of the day is the Teddy Bear song. Are y'all ready, my little friends? Here we go. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, show your shoes. Teddy bear, you have to. Teddy bear, climb up the stairs. Teddy bear, say your prayers. Teddy bear, turn off the lights. Teddy bear, say good night. Good job, everyone. Bizzy, what is that? That's the hate coming. Oh no! Bizzy! Stay away from the word hate. That word hate is plaguing the world right now. You know how we can defeat hate? Yeah, with love! And guess what? That's our buzzword of the day. Love! You know how you can defeat hate? You can defeat hate with love of information. Love of reading. L to the O. V to the E, let's defeat the hate! Yay! Whoa! Oh my gosh, Bizzy! The hate has all of our books! My little ones, we gotta figure out a way to get the books from all that hate. You know how we can defeat the hate? Let's protest with love! Bizzy, grab all your friends, man! It's time to protest! Yeah! We want books! We want books! We want books! Free our information! We want be ready! It's now or never! We gotta fight for our rights! Stand for what we believe in! We all love reading! Let's defeat the hate with love! You ready, Bizzy? Let's go! Whoa! Bizzy! Only books hit me upside the head! Story of the day is Imagine That by Kelley Hickman. Bizzy, come on, man. Let's develop this love of reading for the little ones. Son, just imagine what you will grow up and be. An architect, engineer, or the next presidential nominee. Whoa. Your options are limitless, but exposure is key. I believe in your future. Just wait and you'll see. Son, just imagine yourself so brave and strong. Among great leaders is where you belong. See that crown on our heads? We are all kings. Ain't that right, Bizzy? Yeah, you got a big old head, but yeah, you deserve a crown, man. Work hard, but make sure that you pray. Soon all those fettered mindsets will fade away. Soon, just imagine the impact you will create by leading with love and defeating all the hate. No hate around here, nothing but love. Be proud of your ideas. They are part of your plan. At times you'll make mistakes, but learning from them is what make you a man. Hold up, Bizzy. Let's rewind back. Be proud of your ideas. They are part of your plan. At times you'll make mistakes, but learning from them is what make you a man. Son, just imagine, you don't have to fit in. Whoa. Yeah, keep going, Kings. I love all of your features. Where should I begin? Your perfectly textured hair. Yeah. Bizzy, you got a perfect taper. Your full lips and broad nose. Whoa. I am proud to say you look just like me. And it shows. Son, just imagine how bright you will shine. You are perfect and brilliant, just the way God designed. It's the God in me. Hey. Don't compare yourself to others whose lives seem to tower. Never compare yourself to anybody. We are all special. Remember that there is no one like you, and that is your superpower. Son, just imagine story time by the pool. Encourage all your friends to join because reading is cool. Ain't that right, Bizzy? Son, just imagine you are the word around town. Other little boys want to know how you got your crown. Hold up, everybody. Let's adjust our crown right now. Yeah. This is just the beginning. Your mission isn't complete. You will be much more fulfilled when we are all a lead. D-N-J! Fighting for what you believe in is extremely important. You always want to embrace love. Never hate people, my little friends. Always remember, love is the way to fight hate. Always embrace change, and guess what? Embracing change brings equality. Ain't that right, Bizzy? Yeah. Thank y'all for coming to Storytime Adventures with Mr. Billy. And remember, everybody just calm down.